Listen, listen, listen to our souls crying, as birth realizes death and shudders our eyes to the dark soul, bone and flesh. Listen, listen, listen to every tear of our page which can't be undone. Far behind our eyelids, where light is a storm to the dark, and all our unripened fruits hide and secretly rot. Listen, listen, listen to the dying dew on meadows, under every fruit that goes sour, to each their own a bittersweet fate as we each near our final hours. For without light, life cannot reign, such bitter sour juices for tempted senses to refrain. Listen, 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 can you hear their light defy dark ears? To free the souls, stolen of their hearts' petty rush to fool's gold, left no longer free, left broke in arrears. Listen, 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 until every rash voice goes cold in your ears, be ceased and erased. Listen, 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 until not even desolation utters a sound.